Namaste everyone. Have you got this habit of calling your child as monster or devil and with some or other negative names? Why so? When I was studying Vedanta, I came across some Subhashit which was saying that it is so important to call your child with lots of positive names and positive adjectives. Why so? I tell you why. As per Subhashit and as per our scriptures also, what we call the child as will become child's personality. Especially this age from 1 to say 7 8 years old, it's extremely important to use positive language, positive words. Forget abusing is out of the question, but giving them a positive language is extremely important. As such, today's generation has a lot of hyperactiveness, and they want to think very fast, they want to act very fast, they don't think much before acting, the way this world is moving too. I remember in earlier generations, people used to keep their child's name based on any of their favorite deity, say Ram or Lakshman or even Krishna, Kishan, or different names of Krishna or different names of Shiva's avatars or any other deities avatars, which is not possible in today's time. I understand, and frankly, the kind of lifestyle we have, I even feel that it is an insult to the deity's name if you do it today. But at least stop calling them with any negative words. While studying psychology during my college days, though I'm a commerce graduate, but because out of my interest, I used to read a lot, and I realized that even the Western authors and the researchers, they completely agree to this theory that we should not call them with any negative names. We have this habit of saying that, if you do this, ye ho jayega, if you do that, ye ho jayega. The purpose of giving names of our deity was that many times we will be able to recite those names, which is not happening in today's times because we don't have any, we don't follow any traditional names for our kids. But at least stop giving them meaningless names, which has got absolutely no meaning. Also ensure that their personality is built on the name of our deities. I understand that you want to follow the trend. Then you can give them some nicknames based on our deity. Like for example, I call my son as Little Krishna. He is going to learn something from that name, isn't it? So why don't you call or give some deity's name to your child instead of calling them something which you don't want them to become? Thank you.